How and when to consume spirulina to get the best benefits. Spirulina can cause specific side effects due to the body's purification, such as headaches or digestive problems. It is important to start with a low dose that you can gradually increase. Spirulina is a superfood alga, consumed as a dietary supplement to naturally and straightforwardly increase our intake of vitamins and minerals. So, let's find out the benefits of spirulina for our health and how to consume it to get the most of its benefits. What is spirulina? Spirulina is a blue-green alga found in low-salt alkaline and warm waters. Its name derives from its curious spiral-shaped structure, although its scientific name is Arthrospira. It is one of the most complete and nutritious foods. Even that NASA confirmed this in 1988 when it incorporated spirulina into astronauts' diet. The Aztecs, for example, already consumed it to increase their resistance in case of great efforts. It is also a great dietary supplement for athletes. Spirulina's nutritional contributions. Thanks to its complete and beneficial nutritional contributions, spirulina effectively treats all types of deficiencies and improves certain disorders. Let's see in detail its precious composition. It is one of the best vegetable sources of protein with high biological value and good digestibility. It has a percentage of 65 to 70% protein. It is rich in chlorophyll, the green pigment that stands out for its great detoxifying power. Its richness in vitamins of groups B, C, D, and E is rare. Spirulina contains minerals such as potassium, selenium, copper, manganese, magnesium, phosphorus, or zinc. Besides, it contains digestive enzymes. It also has antioxidant properties, chlorophyll, carotenoids, and phycocyanins. 7% of its compounds are essential fatty acids. Its properties for health. Now we are going to list the healing properties of spirulina for our health. Spirulina facilitates weight loss. Therefore, it is recommended in healthy slimming diets. This is due to its satiating power and the fact that it stimulates metabolism resulting in fast fat burning. It reduces inflammation and may prevent osteoporosis. Spirulina prevents and fights anemia without the need for iron supplements. It improves our energy and vitality while reducing fatigue and stress. It improves concentration and memory. Spirulina has antioxidant properties that prevent visible aging and cellular aging, as well as the progressive damage caused by free radicals, the passage of time, stress, etc. How and when to consume it? How and when to take spirulina depends on the goals you want to achieve. If you want to lose weight, take spirulina half an hour before each meal with a glass of water. In this way, the algae produce a natural satiating effect. This will help you eat less while feeling less hungry. If you want to gain weight, take spirulina right after lunch, with dessert. As a specific treatment for a particular disorder, take spirulina on an empty stomach, half an hour before breakfast. As a nutritional supplement, add spirulina in smoothies or milkshakes, along with green leafy fruits and vegetables. There are no academic studies that confirm these indications. This is why we advise you to consult a specialist first. We recommend that you choose good quality spirulina, if possible organic, to prevent it from containing harmful components to your health. The recommended dose. You can take spirulina powder, mixed with water or food, or in capsule or tablet form. The usual starting dose is 500 mg to 1 gram, 1 to 3 times a day. However, you can gradually increase this dose, but be attentive to your body's reaction, and, if possible, be under professional supervision. It is essential to start with a small amount because of this alga's high purifying power, which could cause some discomfort or curative symptoms like headache, intestinal disorders, etc. For this reason, it is also recommended to drink plenty of water during the treatment, at least 1.5 liters per day. So, that's it for today. Did you like the video? Then subscribe to our channel to get more of our content in the future. Like and share it with your friends if you think you get value from it. And stay safe.